guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, we are hopping right into the video. That's what we do here on this channel. So we are going to be creating a completely free rate sheet, aka rate card, media kit, whatever you guys want to call it. This is what we send to brands when they want to work with us and when they email us inquiring about our rates. A lot of you guys don't have these, so we're going to solve that problem. These are completely free. Of course, they're going to be linked in my description. And before I get into the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. You guys, I provide all of this information for free. All I ask is that you guys support and subscribe to my channel. So let's get into it. Okay, so obviously that's not my name. So I'm going to go ahead and put Viva La Pink Posh because that is my social media name. You guys know I don't like to limit myself to just one thing, even though everyone says to niche down. You guys know me. I do a little bit of everything, so I just put influencer. Okay, so here you would put your bio about you. Hi, my name is Viva La Pink Posh. I'm a content creator. You can say makeup or fashion content creator. This is literally just a little jazz about you and what type of services you offer. So once you do that, you head over to change your picture because obviously that is not you. Okay, so we are going to change this picture. Obviously, we're going to put me in there, and of course we're going to edit this. I really dislike when they do these things like this because everything is literally together. So I'm actually going to put in my information, like my stuff. Of course, everyone's is different. What just happened? Oh my gosh. You guys. Oh, okay. So that's supposed to be 24. And okay, so this has to be an 18. It's not age 1. Oh gosh. Okay, so mine's is 18 to 24. And of course that will be lined up. So you would literally input your demographics from your Instagram or your TikTok or whatever you want to use. I would say to use the largest platform because it just looks better. It's more appealing. So here you have your services and rates. So we want to change this. Now let's say we are doing a video tutorial. And then we have a picture. You can put HD picture to make it look even better. HD stands for high definition. So high definition picture. Then because I charge different, TikTok. Okay. So it will be TikTok video. Then we could put, what's going on? YouTube review. And then here you could put Facebook, and this is only if you do multiple platforms. If you're only targeting one platform, then just include the rates for that one platform. You could do Instagram video tutorial, Instagram reels, you could do an Instagram photo and Instagram stories. It's all up to you. Yeah, my rate sheets are always multi-use, but you could niche this down to just Instagram and add Instagram reels, Instagram video tutorial, Instagram pictures, Instagram stories, things like that. Instagram giveaway. It's all whatever you want to put. So obviously you would put your rates here. Your $900. I don't know what this. I like to put ... You don't have to put ... but you put your price according to whatever you listed. Then here, of course, you want to put your socials, Instagram, Facebook, all of your ads there. And you're going to come down here and you're going to change all your pictures because we don't want somebody else's pictures here. These are literally just super random pictures. I'm going to add this one in there again because I don't have, I didn't add a picture for that. So yeah, and of course you would edit your email and put your email here if you have a website. A lot of people do have websites linking all of their analytics, and also you can put a phone number, which you can get from Google. You can get a free phone number from Google. So yeah, this is what that would look like. Obviously I would change this to pink because it's me. But yeah, guys, that's how easy it is to create a professional rate card, sheet, whatever you want to call it. It's super easy and it's free. So definitely click the link in the description to create you a rate card and get your coins. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video on Thursday. Till then, guys, catch you later.